AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Kinds of port interfaces. On this slide you can explore the different kinds of port interfaces. Click on the purple boxes to get information about each kind. A client-server interface declares a number of operations that can be invoked on a server by a client. The server is provider of operations and several clients can invoke those operations. A sender-receiver interface declares a number of data elements to be sent and received. A sender distributes information to one or several receivers, or one receiver gets information from several senders. A parameter interface declares a number of parameter and characteristic values to be exchanged between parameter components and software components. A parameter interface allows software components access to either constant data, fixed data or calibration data. A non-volatile data interface declares a number of data to be exchanged between non-volatile block components and software components. A trigger interface declares a number of triggers that can be sent by a trigger source and received by a trigger sink. The trigger interface allows software components to trigger the execution of other software components. The purpose of the trigger interface is to allow for fast response times, with regard to the occurrence of a trigger, which might occur sporadic, or at a variable cycle time. A mode switch interface declares a set of states to be sent by a mode manager and received by mode users. The mode switch interface is used to notify a software component of a mode. The mode manager provides modes that can be used by mode users to adjust the behavior according to modes, or synchronize activities to mode switches. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.